Alright, what's up guys? Back again for another YouTube video. Today, we're out here Street Wars, Cecil County drag strip. Me and my boy Marco. I just took him for the pull and the whip. So we'll have to run the clips right now.
Bro, set the whole hat off.
And then we're gonna go in here. It's like a crazy line. There's like 3 entrances, and apparently all the different roads have like an hour to an hour and a half line, which that's just me guessing. I'm not sure how long it is, but we've already been waiting in the line for 50 minutes, and we still are probably like 20-30 minutes out. So we'll catch up with you guys when we get in there, but I'll have to get a shot of the line. It looks crazy as hell. Yeah, it should be dope. Yeah, this is just the beginning really. There's like lines over there, all the way on the other side of that hill. There's people waiting. Look at this shit, all the way back there. Damn bro, this shit's back there. Yeah, you already know we're in the Subi. Yes sir, looking clean. All right, we'll catch up with you guys when we get in there. Dirty, bro. Oh my God, look at the turbo, bro. Jeez. Got it, bro. Yes, sir. Right-hand drive too. God, look how clean that bitch is, bro. Damn. That bitch is clean. Well, we just had some problems with the Subi.
Yeah, we got it right there.
Yeah, we got it right. She wasn't trying to start for us, wasn't trying to charge either. The starter solenoid, like little pintail, was unplugged. It just come unplugged, I guess, from vibration. So, got her going again, luckily. I gotta be real with you guys, this thing might have some problems. Well, we got it right. Hey, you know it's so hype. The whole reason why I like Forsters. We've been here walking around for like an hour.
Not one.
Not even one Forster. Not one, let alone one with all this swap shit. So that's what's hype.
Gotta stay unique.
You know what I'm saying? We're seeing all the Subis, but we don't see no Forsters. So
no Del Sol neither.
Yeah, no Del Sols either. Del Sol be a good build. That's what Marco's building. Hey, I gotta shout out the man's Instagram right now. Ruin Del Sol.
Oh, yeah,
I'll put it on the screen. You gotta get right with him.
Put his number on the screen up there.
Yes sir, yes sir. All right, peace. We're gonna keep going. I think it's quick.
2, go. Okay, all right. GTR. Yeah. 3, 2. Ready? 3, 2.
What is this, yo? Yo, this is an 08 Corvette, bro. This is a vet. Damn, Hoss. That thing is crisp. This is tough. Got the flares, bro.